How do we terminate a listing contract? Expiration. If your contract was good till May 1st and you didn't sell it by then, it's expired. Death, insanity, or bankruptcy of the client or the broker. Again, we don't care if the salesperson dies. We care if the broker dies or the client dies. By mutual agreement, we both decide to take it off the market. By regulation, it gets taken through the sheriff's sale. That terminates any listing contract. By destruction, if the property burns down, that terminates the listing agreement. By revocation, that's where the seller fires you. Renunciation is where you fire the seller. And the last one is accomplishment of the objective. So when you close, the contract is over. I have a closing tomorrow. When that closes tomorrow, it terminates my listing contract. The seller no longer owns the house, and I've accomplished my objective. Now, when you list properties, which one of these usually happens? Well, you better hope that the one that usually happens is accomplishment of the objective. What happens if you have a property on the market and it doesn't sell within the 30 days or the 60 days or the 90 days they gave you and it expires? Well, the day after it expires, every other real estate agent in the country will be calling that seller saying, I'm the best one to do the job. You had it listed with him before and it didn't sell. Don't use him again, use me. That's expiration. If you'd like to get your real estate license, just follow our link below and join our classes.